Hey there folks, Peter here with BlackRock Business. Just going to answer a quick question I got in an email, and that was that somebody's trying to run a report, in this instance the inventory valuation report, but it just won't launch and it won't run. So it's getting stuck and it's kind of freezing up and not doing the report instead. If you have questions and you need answers, you can join our QuickBooks Point of Sale Facebook group in the description down below, where I'm trying to answer more and more questions through video. And so here is the deal. This person is going on the items menu to inventory valuation, and then this part where it churns and runs and figures it out and thinks for a minute, they're not getting to this part. It's not popping up the actual report. So what you need to do in this instance, on any report that won't launch, the next thing you need to try is go on the reports menu to the report center, and then locate the report that you're trying to run. Most often there's some sort of problem or maybe some sort of data issue with the report you're trying to run. So in this case, items. It's getting stuck on, usually on a filter or something like that, or a column that you're trying to put in the report. So you can go to the report you want, in this case, this one. And now down here, this is probably unchecked, but it says prompt to modify the report options before running the report. And so I'm going to check mark that before running the report. And then I'm going to hit the report, whatever it is that's getting stuck. And it's going to think for a moment, but actually it pops up and it allows us to revert the report. And so I advise you to hit the revert button. And that's going to take off any extra filters, any extra columns that have been added, and get rid of any sort of settings you have and bring it back to its default status for this report. And from there, hopefully you'll actually get to this report screen, and then from there you can hit the modify button and add your filters back to it. And that seems to clear most things up with reports when you're getting stuck. My name's Peter with BlackRock Business. Thank you. Have a great day.